Alright guys, welcome back, and in this one we're going to be actually rendering something to the screen. It'll be a really short video, but first of all, go to your renderable interface, and I forgot to actually make this condition an else if, so go ahead and fix that. And now we can go ahead and right click on Objects Package, click New Class, and we're going to call this one Spaceship. Alright, now we can go ahead and create some variables. So we're going to have a private static double named width. We're going to set it equal to 75. We're going to have a private static double height also equal to 75. We're going to have a private double x and a private double y. And we're also going to have a private int named layer, and the layer of the spaceship is going to be 1. And then we're going to have a private static buffered image named spaceship. And then we need to import this buffered image class. And then we can create the constructor for the class. So it's going to be public spaceship. And then we're going to take in as parameters a double x and a double y. And then we're just going to set this dot x equal to x and this dot y equal to y. And then we're going to go to source, generate getters and setters. And I'm going to select the width, the height, the x and y, and select getters and generate. And then I'm just going to copy these getters and paste them at the bottom of the file. So I didn't mean to make these two get methods, so I'll just delete them. And then inside the constructor, we can actually read in the spaceship sprite. So spaceship equals image.io.read, new file. And then here you type the file path to your PNG. In my case, I put all of our resources in this res folder, and the name of the sprite is spaceship.png. So I'm just going to type res/spaceship.png. And then I'm going to import this file class. And I need to throw an exception because we're reading a file. And then I'm going to add this class to the renderer by typing renderer.add renderable object, this. And now I need to implement the renderable interface. So implements renderable, and I'm going to import this and add the unimplemented methods. And then if I go to the bottom, I can implement these methods. So here I'm just going to return layer. I'm just going to type g.drawImage. I'm going to delete all these parameters. I'm going to pass in the spaceship sprite. I'm going to pass in the spaceship. I'm going to typecast int x, int y, int width, int height, and the last parameter we'll just put null. And that's it for the draw function. Now I'm just going to go back to the entry class, and I'm going to make an instance of the object here. So I'm going to type new spaceship. I'm going to import the class. And then for the x and the y, I'll just pass in 100. So if I run the program at this point, you can see a spaceship pop up on the screen finally. And that's it for this one. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.